meeting, which perhaps would instill some more trigger points for the market. So there you go. It's a mildly positive start. 24,489 thereabouts is where we're currently at. Let's get stock specific and let's talk about what the texture of the market is likely to be. I want to first start with the likes of Trent and ITC, Asian Paints, etc. Some of these consumption plays held out quite okay on Friday. Let's see whether a continuation of that trend holds true or not. 0.5% higher for Trent. ITC fairly lackluster right now. L&T, Asian Paints, BEL, these were some of the other movers in Friday's session at least. The pain points then, Reliance. Let's start off with that stock. Given the weakness on Reliance after its, AGM takeaways, the fact that the stock fell 4% from the day's highs and then managed to close at a day low, Geo Platform has kicked off the IPO process. The listing is due by June 2026. But the street reaction was relatively lackluster. Another 1% down now for Reliance. 1343 is where that stock is. So that's a sizable correction that's taken place in just the last two trading sessions or, in place for Reliance Industries. That said, HPBP IOC, what is the reaction on these stocks? Let's pull up that stock list for you. And then, of course, there is Adani Power, which has backed an MP Power contract for 800 megawatt of supply. So Adani Power is the other one which is going to be in focus this morning. There's BHEL, there's Torrent Power, NCC, which has bagged orders worth about 788 crore rupees in the month of August. And then RBL Bank, wherein the board has now okayed or approved a 3,500 crore rupee QIP. RBL Bank, 0.5% higher as we speak right now. Any negative reaction on Sobha, Brigade, Prestige, given that the Karnataka government has doubled the property registration fee? Let's bring up those stocks as well. Pretty flat for Sobha right now. I guess there would be more volume in Prestige. For that matter, that stock will just come with you on your screens. Mildly soft for Prestige as we speak right now. So that's pretty much the stock-specific list. But Snehi, any other trends that you're spotting?
Nifty, I think fixing up quite well in today's trade, 0.8% higher, and you have names like Infosys that are up 2%, Infy up 1.8%, Coforge, Persistent, TCS, all of them are looking very healthy right now. So it's the IP pack that is stealing the spotlight at open today, followed by metal, autos doing very well. Torrent Power, in fact, right now is up about 3.5%, like you were highlighting. A big news flow coming in for Torrent Power as well. Other than that, if you take a look at some gainers and losers today, you have slightly big cuts coming in on Navin Fluorine, Bharti Hexacom, Godrej Industries, EID Perry. Some of these are the biggest losers on the street right now. Other than that, on the flip side, Escorts Kubota looking very good. I also want to see what Bajaj Auto is doing since we had those August auto sales numbers that were mildly better than what the street was expecting. So Bajaj Auto, yes, 1.1% uptick coming in on that stock as we speak. Hindustan Zinc too, about 3% higher now that silver is has crossed $40. So Hindustan Zinc also looking very good, but so is the case with Samvardhana, Cholam, Mandalam Finance, Granules, BSE, NCC, NFTC. All of these stocks are looking quite healthy at open. So this is how we've opened today, and this is the texture across the market right now. So that is it, and let's get in conversation with our techies to understand where they are placing their first trades. Okay, we've disconnected on that note, but Aisha, this is how we've opened for the day today.
Oh yeah, absolutely, and let's take that conversation forward. We've got Ajay Srivastav joining in the show right now. Ajay, hi, morning. How is it that you're holding up? I mean, the visuals of Prime Minister Modi with